you know that Spain is home to a global leader in submarine cable installation solutions? Hello everyone, I'm Maria Vittoria Zaglio, journalist for Class CNBC, and I'm here with Prysmian to talk about ACSM, a powerhouse in submarine cable surveying and installation. Prysmian acquired ACSM in February 2026, a move that further strengthened its global leadership in the submarine cable industry. Today, we are in Vigo, Spain, the headquarters of ACSM. With over 20 years of experience in subsea operations across 60 countries, a team of more than 350 professionals, and a track record of hundreds of completed projects, ACSM is a true industry heavyweight. Their expertise and assets are essential for successful submarine cable deployment. Every project requires extensive surveying before installation, for replanning and to ensure an effective, timely and secure process, as well as post-installation monitoring to guarantee long-term cable performance. How does ACSM make all of this possible? Let's find out directly with Melina Noyola, Bids Manager at ACSM. Thank you for having us.
Thanks, Maria Victoria. It's a pleasure to have you here. To answer your question, it all comes down to experience. With over 2 decades in the field, ACSM provides an innovative range of subsea inspection and survey solutions, ensuring efficient delivery across all life of field phases. Today, we have inspected over 250 subsea structures, pipelines, and cables worldwide. Following those initial pre-installation surveys, there are critical preparation activities to carry out, and often difficult obstacles to overcome, both before and during cable deployment. Our job is to clear the route, remove rocks and debris, manage unexploded ordnance, dredge the seabed, and install protective mattresses around the cable to ensure everything runs properly.
Now, to execute these highly complex tasks, ACSM relies on a cutting-edge fleet, seabed trenching machines, advanced survey equipment, a suite of remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, unmanned underwater robots equipped with cameras and tools for subsea inspection, and of course, 3 highly specialized vessels. To understand how this fleet operates in the deep sea, I'm joined by Enrique Rodriguez, Vessel Manager at ACSM.
Hola.
Thank you for having us on board, Enrique.
Vamos. Our fleet is truly the backbone of our operations. We operate 3 highly specialized vessels built to handle complex subsea missions in some of the world's most demanding marine environments. First, the OSV Nautilus is a multi-purpose ROV and survey support vessel. It features a permanently mobilized trenching ROV and a large working deck, tailored for cable installation and construction projects. Next, we have the OSV Artabro, the vessel where we are right now, designed for deep water inspection, maintenance, and cable operations. It is equipped with an ROV capable of operating at depths of up to 4,000 meters, enabling complex missions in ultra-deep water. Rounding out the fleet is the OSV Genesis, our latest generation offshore technology platform. This vessel is equipped with the new Forum XLX Evo 2 world-class ROV system, which delivers enhanced maneuverability, high-definition inspection capabilities, and a greater operational efficiency for demanding offshore projects.
From marine crews and ROV operators to project management, ACSM has a well-established reputation as a dependable partner in the cable industry. Their robust personal supply capabilities allow Prysmian to mobilize expert technicians within tight deadlines to meet global client demands. These professionals undergo continuous training here at the Noron base in Spain, where they hone their skills using the ACSM ROV simulator. At this console, operators master flying skills and experience the real-world challenges of offshore operation in a controlled environment. Integrating ACSMs expands Prysmian's portfolio, creating a true one-stop shop for energy and telecom customers. It accelerates the full vertical integrations of Prysmian's submarine activities by bringing industry-leading expertise and assets in-house. I discussed the strategic value of this integration with Giuseppe Cipriano, Offshore Operation Director at Prysmian.
Exactly, Maria Vittoria. This integration is a game changer for us. By combining our global leadership with the ACSM specialized expertise, we will deliver optimized installation and barrier processes. This will set a new industry standard for cost effectiveness, installation speed, and robust cable protection. Submarine cables are strategic assets, and security is a key differentiator for our customers. This acquisition further strengthens our ability to keep power and data flowing safely under the sea.
Even before the acquisition, ACSM supported Prysmian with surveying and route preparation services for several major projects. Moving forward, Prysmian will also benefit from ACSM's expertise in offshore renewable energy, salvage and rescue operation, and cutting-edge R&D. It is a major step forward for the industry. From Vigo, Spain, this is Maria Vittoria Zaglio for Prysmian. Vessel manager at ACSM.
Vamos. Hola.
Rico?
Okay, stop.